China has just released a new program that competes with ChatGPT 3.5, GPT-4, and other similar programs. Today, we'll be testing this tool called DeepSeek. We're going to try it out for various purposes, including coding, solving math problems, sending it PDFs to analyze or explain, and much more. We'll see whether DeepSeek is truly better than ChatGPT. Let's dive into it. The tool we're testing is called DeepSeek, and it's now in its third version, V3. This version is available for free to all users. When you visit the website, the first thing you'll notice is a comparison chart showing how it stacks up against competitors like ChatGPT 3.5, free, GPT-4, premium, and other AI tools. The site highlights that it excels in specific areas like Chinese and English language processing, coding, math problem solving, research, and scientific inquiries. Honestly, I'm excited to explore everything it promises, but keep in mind that so far, these claims are just on paper. The real test lies in its performance. For example, can it deliver results that make me switch from ChatGPT to DeepSeek? Let's find out, starting with coding. To try DeepSeek, you can visit their website where you'll find a chat interface similar to ChatGPT and many other AI tools. It's straightforward, so you won't get confused. However, I want to focus on a unique feature called DeepSeek Artifacts. This lets you request tasks like creating a snake game by simply typing "make a snake game." It generates the game and even provides the code, which you can copy or run directly. This impressed me. However, it does have limitations. For example, you can't ask it to create a snake game in Pascal or C++. It will throw an error because it mainly supports React. This is just a minor detail worth noting. That said, let's talk about the chat feature itself. I tried asking it to teach me Flutter. Unlike ChatGPT, which gives concise explanations, DeepSeek provided detailed responses, making it feel like a knowledgeable tutor. Its response time was also faster than ChatGPT, even when comparing it to the premium version of GPT-4. One standout feature is DeepThink, which I tested by asking a simple question like, "What is 1 plus 1?" Clicking the DeepThink button allows the system to think deeply, documenting its thought process before delivering the answer. I haven't seen this feature in most AI tools, not even in GPT-4. It's fascinating because it feels like the AI is reasoning step by step to arrive at the answer. Another feature I tested is its research mode. For instance, I asked about Mr. Beast and enabled the research mode. It pulled up everything available online about him, complete with links to the sources. While GPT-4 also offers some research capabilities, DeepSeek provides far more comprehensive results in this regard. As for problem solving, I tested its capabilities by sending it a PDF of an exam. Impressively, it solved the entire test, including multiple choice questions, providing correct answers and explanations. However, it does struggle with image-based content where ChatGPT, especially GPT-4, performs better. Another thing worth mentioning is that you can upload multiple PDFs and DeepSeek will merge them, summarize, or explain them. This functionality isn't available in ChatGPT, at least not in this seamless way. Currently, I use both ChatGPT and DeepSeek, but I can see myself transitioning entirely to DeepSeek over time. The DeepThink and research mode features are incredibly valuable, especially for handling complex equations, coding problems, and academic research. However, I need to test it more thoroughly since DeepSeek has only been available for about 3 weeks. If you'd like, give DeepSeek a try and let me know in the comments whether it works better for you than ChatGPT. Some might prefer DeepSeek, while others might stick with a third option entirely. Share your thoughts below. That's all for now. See you in the next video.